Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy extension for YouTube. So with that being said, let's get started. Today I'm going to use the Google Chrome. However, you will get the extension for your own browser as well. So you can just search for the extension on whether you're using the Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer or any other browser you're using. You can search for an extension for that particular browser. Today we're going to use the Google Chrome. So first thing we need to do is to search for TubeBuddy extension, TubeBuddy Chrome extension, and here's the first link we go to. And here it will show you, it will give you the option to add the extension or install it. I've already added it and installed it, so I'm getting the option to remove. So I already have the extension installed. Once this is installed on your browser as well, next thing you need to do is to go to YouTube. This is the YouTube homepage, and here I'm getting this little drop down menu or a button for TubeBuddy. When you use or download the extension for the first time, you have to sign up or sign in if you already have an existing TubeBuddy account. TubeBuddy is basically a tool which helps you gain more subscribers and views. It helps you with SEO for your YouTube channel. So once you've signed up for TubeBuddy and you have joined with an account, then what you need to do, you'll get this button over here on YouTube. If you click on it, it is a drop down menu here, and we're going to look at some of the main features of TubeBuddy today, which is Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, and how to check the tags used by the famous or the popular videos on YouTube. So with that being said, first thing we're going to look at is the Keyword Explorer. So if you can either click on it here or you can just launch it from here. So the way it works is you need to enter your target keyword or the keyword you are searching for on YouTube. Let's say we say TubeBuddy for tags. So if we search for it, it shows you some info over here for that particular keyword. So when you search for TubeBuddy for tags, this is the unweighted section, and then it shows you the weighted one as well. Weighted one is specific to your channel, and unweighted is a general perspective for that particular keyword. Now here it shows you a score, so anything over 60 is usually falls under the green section. So you would want to go for a keyword which is not in the yellow zone or this red orange zone. It has to be, most likely, I mean, if you want to get good results, you want to go for something within this green region over here. Now underneath it, it gives you a breakdown of that score as well, where it tells you what is the search volume for that particular keyword, what's the competition like, and optimization strength tells you that the videos which are already there for that particular keyword, how well those are optimized or how good they are SEO optimized. So this is an overview of how you can use Keyword Explorer. Now underneath it, this is the summary of it. It also shows you some related tags or the video searches which are being usually searched. When you search for this keyword, people also search for these ones as well, and the common tags which are used. It also shows you the common tags over here as well, which you can use, and if you select one, you can copy these and you can paste these for your videos as well. Now next thing, this is the summary. we go to the next tab here, it also shows you the results over here of different videos used for that particular keyword. It shows you that which is the top ranking channel if your channel has a video related to this particular keyword. So these are all the things it shows you, and it shows you the top results for that particular video as well. So this is how you can use Keyword Explorer. You can tweak your main keyword, target keyword, to see how good the score comes up. Let's say TubeBuddy for tags in 2020. If we explore that, let's see what kind of result we get over here. Now, as you can see, if we search for TubeBuddy for tags, we had a higher score, but TubeBuddy for tags in 2020 doesn't have that much of a better score because the search volume is low. So different things could impact on the overall score for that particular keyword. So this is how you can use Keyword Explorer. Next thing we're going to look at is this SEO Studio. SEO Studio, it works similar like the Keyword Explorer. Let's say we add the same keyword over here which we had entered earlier. Now here, TubeBuddy for tags, it tells you different how you can improve your tags or how you can improve the overall SEO for your particular video. Now here it's kind of adding, these are all the steps which you usually get when you're uploading a video. You have to add a title and a description, then you have the tags option, thumbnail, and also at the end you can apply this to the video. Now what you can do is you can for example, you're planning a new video and you search for the topic, you find a good keyword, you can do all the changes. You can add a title, make a description, you can add relevant tags, and as you add more tags, your SEO score gets better. So you can add more tags, you can make changes to your title and description, and here TubeBuddy tells you an SEO score for your overall changes. So goal is to get to as close to 100. So in mostly cases when you make things better, it goes up, and you can usually go near to 100 once you've added everything, tags and everything. So this is a good tool. What you can do is you can do all the changes, you can add the tags, you can create a thumbnail, and once you're done with it, you can save everything as a drop, and you can apply these changes or everything. Once your video is ready, you can simply use this along with that video, and that way you can quickly upload your video on YouTube with all the changes. So next thing, another good feature about TubeBuddy. So these are two main tools which I would say which are usually used. Other than that, there are other things which is video topic planner, tag list, best time to publish, quick magnet, and this is more of an advanced tool. So these are all the different tools. If you go down here, you see these are all the different functionalities which are available through TubeBuddy. Overall, TubeBuddy is used by thousands of people all around the world, and they are using this to make their YouTube channels grow every day. So another popular feature about TubeBuddy which you can use is, let's say we use this, let's say we open up a video over here, and on the right side here it shows you a video analytics section through TubeBuddy, where it tells you the summary of how many views this video has, how many comments. You can get this info over here as well, but this gives you an overview over here. and then it tells you an SEO score for that particular video as well. Now at the bottom, the good thing is that it shows you the tags which have been used for that particular video or which have been added by the video creator on this video. So this is a very good way if you're searching for a topic, and for example you search for a topic and then you get some results on YouTube, and you what you can do is you can see the tags which have been used by the most popular video or different videos which you and then this way you get the idea of what kind of tags you need to include to rank high for that particular keyword. Now not just the tags, it also shows you the rankings for those tags for that particular video as well. So if you click on show search rankings, it tells you that this particular video is ranked number first for this tag over here, which is iPhone 12 unboxing. So it also tells you the ranking for different tags for that particular video as well, and you can also copy these tags over here. If you click on this and then you click on the copy to clipboard option, you can copy all of these tags and paste on your video. Now I wouldn't recommend to just copy paste the tags from different video because your video could be slightly different, but what you can do is you can take out some relevant tags and use those for your particular video, so that way you can improve the SEO and you can rank higher for your video. So that's all there is for TubeBuddy. Of course there are more options and more things which you can do with TubeBuddy as well, but overall I mean you can there are different subscriptions available for TubeBuddy. If you go for a higher license, it gives you more advanced functionalities as well, but the basic extension for TubeBuddy is free and you can use most of it for free to do all the basic functionalities which I've explained over here. So that's all for today's video. Hope this has been helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do it now so you get notified for any upcoming videos like this, and don't forget to like the video if this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.